Hey guys, it's Joe Werner here. I just wanted to give you a quick run through on how to assign a practice exam for your AP classes. All the information about these practice exams are in that email I just sent out, so please refer to that. And if you have any other questions, you can email me or call me. Um, so real quick, when you go onto albert.io, usually this is the first thing that pops up. It's your classes. If you click on subjects up here, and make sure that advanced placement is also clicked. You'll see all of the AP courses that Albert offers. And any course that has a little blue icon page, and if you see here, subjects with that little page icon now include practice exams, right? So unfortunately, there are no practice exams for APR history. AP Calc is coming next week, but AP Biology has got a little icon, so it's got practice exams. I'm going to click on AP Chemistry just because I know it has three. So click on this guy. And here are all the practice exams that Albert offers for AP Chemistry. They give you a little bit of a brief overview here, but if you view exam, you get more details. Um, Now, like I said in the email, these exams were created to mimic the AP test down to the format, what it looks like, and even the duration, right? So the AP chemistry is broken up into two sections, the multiple choice section and the free response section. Notice that it is timed. So unlike other assignments that you assign your kiddos through Albert, this will be within a time testing window. So they have 90 minutes to complete multiple choice from beginning to end. Free response, 105 minutes from beginning to end. Um, just like when I assign a regular assignment, I can click on it and kind of see all the questions. What I can't do is I can't make my own custom assignment. Again, this is just for this practice exam. It's mimicking that experience. So I can't kind of pick and choose and say I like this question, but I don't like this question. You're going to give it like it's an actual test, right? So you can click on the question. Again, it's broken up into easy, moderate, difficult. Um, so you can kind of look and see. Again, like I said in the email, these are all brand new questions. It's not from previous Albert content, nor is it from any previous practice tests. So that's really awesome. Okay, so once I get a look at some of these questions, I'm going to go back to view exam details. I can do the same thing with the free response. And now I'm going to assign it. So in order for students to take the practice exam, the teacher has to assign it. So unlike other questions that students kind of want to explore and look at on their own, in order to take the practice exam, teachers do have to assign it to their students. If you hit assign, again, very similar to how it is when you assign just a regular assignment. I'm going to hit the class, hit next. I can title it. Notice that we can't really fiddle with the time limit. That's set based on how it is for the actual AP exam. Notice also that we can't have students see the correct answers after each question. They're only going to see it after they complete the exam and after the due date has passed. So those are the quick things. That's pretty much it. Um, Everything else is exactly how you would assign a regular assignment, something that we went over in our PD with you guys. We think it's a really awesome resource. Again, we know that teachers have done AP test sessions after school on Saturdays. Feel free to tap into this resource. Not only are they great questions, but they aggregate all that data for you so you can kind of see where your students are at and target them individually if you'd like to. Even if you do not plan to have a testing session, I would still highly recommend you assigning these to your students so they can practice on their own. You can assign the same test over and over and over again. If a student continues to practice on an exam, that's super, super awesome. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, give me an email or give me a phone call, and I'll be able to help you out with that. Okay.